Ai vieläkin se on.
Central Hospital Lahti. 16% Can you know? With golden him inside. That's nice and
How many novels we have filmed now?
nice panel.
Just 2 here.
These
2.5.
These doors are very slow ones. Built in 1975, modernized in 1999, age 30810. 16 persons or 1,200 kilograms.
This goes nice.
Yeah, it is.
They're really well.
I like this panel.
Same here.
This panel feels very bad.
2 slow doors.
Extremely slow. I like the yellow roof.
Yeah.
I see.
There's the emergency light. The only one.
Does someone want Christopher?
This is textured.
What?
This is textured. Or I don't know, it's like
Plastic.
Inspected by Kiva Inspector, maintained by Kone.
it has like a bubble here. Where this doesn't.
Basic hospital stainless steel.
Yeah.
Yep.
I'm feeling all the way back here. It's huge for 16 persons.
Not actually. Oh, it has a bench. Or a seat.
Nice. Okay, send it up.
Okay, let's go.
That door thing is good fun.
Yeah.
Oh, well, this was bad.
Yeah.
When we're taking the next one, I want to sit there. Because my legs are already tired. The doors are M100s. Built in 1975, modernized in 1999, age 30809. 16 persons or 1,200 kilograms. Okay, let's see if the bench breaks. Oh, it falls. That's a leg girl. This is funny.
Elevator number 9. Concrete versus.
Road. Inspected by Kiva Inspector and maintained by Kone. The doors sound like M100.
Slow doors.
Yeah, but they sound like M100. Oh. Have you? Nice. Or stainless steel cap, so not that nice, but
That's